So how do you make the iPhone light flash whenever you are receiving a phone call? Let me show you how you do this. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, you need to go to your iPhone's settings as usual and go to the accessibility section. Part of the accessibility, upon scrolling down a little bit, you can see we have the audio and visual section. And at the bottom entirely of this page, we have the LED flash for alerts. So you can open it up and a few things are going to appear, right? So you can enable it like that and also choose if it's supposed to be like also blinking or flashing in the silent mode or only while unlocked or whatever else you have in here. But this basically means that whenever you receive a call or some kind of other alert or notification, the flashlight on the back side of the phone, you can see next to the camera, we have the flashlight. It is going to blink to indicate that you are receiving an alert. In our case, it's going to be the call, or as I said, it can be anything else, right? So as you can tell, this is how it works. There isn't really much else to it. So if it works for you, hit the thumbs up. And if it doesn't, let me know about that below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it, but stay tuned for more and I'll see you later in the next upcoming tutorials.